This is part 5 of 20 of the legal quizzer designed to help law students, accountancy students, and financial management students reinforce their understanding of the revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, specifically focusing on the sections regarding bylaws and meetings. By engaging with these questions, students will be able to better recall key details, apply legal principles, and understand the procedural requirements essential for the proper governance of corporations in the Philippines. This material serves as an excellent tool for both academic studies and practical applications in corporate governance. What is the required vote for adopting bylaws in stock corporations? A majority of the outstanding capital stock must vote affirmatively. Sector 45, Republic Act No. 11232. Can bylaws be filed before a corporation is formally incorporated? Yes, bylaws may be adopted and filed prior to incorporation if approved and signed by all incorporators. Sector 45, Republic Act No. 11232. When are bylaws effective according to the revised Corporation Code? Bylaws become effective only upon the issuance of a certification by the Commission that the bylaws are in accordance